Okay, guys. I'm gonna do the which body parts are we attaching computers to. So we're gonna click on the data, and this is the global visualization. And as you can see, the wrist is the most popular. It's at 58. It's at the top, and then hands is down here. So we're gonna scroll down, and then we see. Sorry, guys. Then we see download. So when I download and I go into my Tableau, we're gonna open it as a text file. I'm gonna do the wearables. Okay, so now as you can see, we're on the data source. So we're gonna go to sheet 1. And the first thing I like to do is change the sheet name so that I don't forget at the end. So we're gonna change that to locations of wearable devices. Okay, so in the dimensions, we're gonna bring the body locations to columns, and then in the measures, we're gonna bring the number of records to the rows. So here's our graph. So we're gonna swap it so that it looks like the original. And here it looks like it, except we're gonna do descending order so that the wrist is on the top like how it was. But if you notice, we don't have numbers. So to get the numbers, we're gonna go to the label and then show the label like that. And then you just adjust your graph to make sure everything appears. And there you have it.